Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Ankit.
Sir,
How are you, sir?
sir?
Very good. Very good. Thank you for asking. I hope you are all well also.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We are fine, sir.
ये बैंक कौन कर रहा है? ढाई ढाई अनीशा जायसवाल.
Yes, sir.
तो आप बोलिएगा कि मेरा क्लास चल रहा है, बाद में कीजिए तो नहीं मानेंगे ना?
No, sir. घर के पीछे हो रहा है.
ओ पीछे हो रहा है. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yes.
I'm still allowing everybody in. About local. In me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, your
you are
voice is
not audible,
breaking.
sir.
Okay, guys. So I'm back.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि where was I last time? Can anybody tell
Sir,
me?
worksheet 15.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
worksheet
Worksheet
15.
15.
Worksheet 15. Idioms.
Sir, idioms.
दो हो चुका था.
We
तीसरा
have
से
covered
करवाना
2
है.
idioms.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the third? What is the third idiom that you have?
Cut
Cut any
Any
corners.
corners.
Yes, sir.
One more time. I want one person to speak, and that is Monica Kesri. Please tell me.
Okay, thank you, sir. Cut any corners.
Cut corners or cut any corners?
Cut any corners.
Okay. So cut any corners. Basically, it means कि जो shortcut लेना. Shortcut.
Yes, sir.
और जब shortcut हम लोग लेते हैं, then we are not doing our work properly. That is the meaning, you know. So cut corners. If there is a way of particularly of studying or doing any activity, then we are cutting corners. It means we are taking a shortcut. We are not doing any objective the way it should be done, but we are creating a shortcut.
Yes, sir.
Where is this sound coming from? So that is the meaning of cut any corners, right? So can
Yes,
you tell
sir.
me, Mahi, what is the meaning that you have?
Yes, sir. To do something in a cheap and an easy way.
To do something in a cheap and an easy way, cutting corners.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir, and the other meaning also, sir, economize to earn the time, money, and material or effort, perhaps unwisely.
Unwisely, है ना? So you are utilizing your resources. You're taking a shortcut by not putting in the investment in terms of money and in time. So you're
Yes,
taking a shortcut. And that is an
Yes.
unwise decision.
Yes, sir.
No, you have to, if you're taking a shortcut, then it can lead to the improper quality of work,
Yes, sir.
or not the desired level of work, the quality. जो गुणवत्ता है काम की वो घट जाती है जब आप शॉर्टकट से when you cut corners. So that is, it is not a very positive statement, you know. Cut corners. आपको कोई project मिला, आपने क्या किया, oh इतना लंबा project, how to make it? What I'll do is I'll copy paste it from the internet. You cut corners. You made yourself convenient, you know. You did what was convenient for you. But did you get the knowledge that the project was supposed to give you? You only get the knowledge when you do something, and you did not do it. You copied it from somebody, or you asked your younger brother to make the project or something like that. So you would not get the required knowledge. That was the very purpose of why the project was given to you. मेन कारण था प्रोजेक्ट देने का कि आप उससे सीखें, उसको बनाने के क्रम में वो नॉलेज गैदर करें, उसको लिखें, तो आप प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज अटेन करोगे. लेकिन आपने क्या किया, अपने भाई को दे दिया या इंटरनेट से पूरा कॉपी करके ये कर दिया. सो दैट इज टेकिंग शॉर्टकट. एंड व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस दैट यू हैव, माही?
Yes, sir. This company is known to cut any corner.
To cut any corner नहीं होगा, to cut all corners.
cut
To cut corners, yeah, any
Okay.
हट जाएगा वहाँ पे.
Okay, sir.
So you
Okay,
will
sir.
remove any. Yeah, this company is known to cut corners. That will be a proper statement or a
Okay,
sentence.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So,
So I should say remove any, na?
yes, that's correct.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Komal Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Komal. Please tell me
So
what is the meaning
sentences-
that you have. No, I don't want to know
The
the
meaning
sentence.
is-
I want to know the meaning. Yeah.
Okay, sir. To do something quickly and not as well you should.
To do something quickly. जल्दीबाजी में.
Yes, sir.
जब सावधानी
Yes,
हटी
sir.
दुर्घटना घटी. You know, that is the saying, you know, that if you are not careful and you want to do something quickly, then accidents will happen and your work will not come out as good as it would have if you took the original long path.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, very good. What is the meaning that you have?
So
Sorry,
sentence.
meaning you already gave. Yes, the
So the
sentence.
sentence. So don't try to cut corners when you are decorating.
Okay. Don't try to cut corners when you are decorating. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अब आप ही सोचिए, अगर लैब में जैसे हम लोग के पेरेंट्स या कोई जहाँ पे किसी का ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए जाता है या कोई और चीज आती है, अगर लैब में कट कॉर्नर्स करने लगा वो, तो गलत रिजल्ट ही आ जाएगा. एवरीथिंग विल बी रॉन्ग.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is a big. Tabriz,
Yes, sir.
can I see you on camera? Can you switch on your camera, please?
Hello.
Yes, can you switch on your camera? Tabriz, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Tabriz, can you hear me? Tabriz, ऐसा क्यों होता है जब मैं ये चलो, he has gone out. He has left the meeting altogether. Rajan Kumar. Rajan,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is the meaning that you have?
सर हम आपका क्लास absent किए हुए हैं।
अच्छा, कितने
सर
दिनों
ये
से?
सर 2 दिन आपका क्लास absent हो गया सर, तबीयत खराब है इसलिए सर।
Oh my goodness.
I've told you about
So
some
how this
medical
changed?
medical issues, sir.
No, you told me, but I never knew it was so serious that for 1 month or 15 days you will not be attending classes.
My grandfather was going to hospitals and we were trying for surgeries, वगैरह etc. So
See,
my father could not go there, so I was there, sir.
uh,
Last month I have
the,
not attended any classes.
you sound
So
as
I
if
just
you're proud of
completed
it.
it. So I'm not proud of it, sir, but
No,
I
I said
was
you
not
sound. You
there
sound
here,
as if.
sir. No, sir, I am not proud of it.
How
I
is
have
your
to
grandfather
complete all
now?
the works.
How is he now?
He's well, sir. He's recovering, but not that good. He's
I
recovering.
see. Okay. I hope that he
Got his
recovers and
toe
makes a
cut
very
off.
speedy
No?
recovery.
Thank you.
Toe cut off.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? He was highly diabetic.
Yes, sir.
So gangrene kind of developed, right?
Yes, sir.
Gangrene.
He suffered from diabetic foot. Then we went to a doctor. He told us that he would only dress the wound, but he cut the fingers. So
That's bad.
around 6 months we are dealing with this daily.
Okay. Srishti Kumari. So is this Googled? Yes,
sir,
Rajesh?
sentence. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sentence is Googled, right? Yes, I'm asking you a question.
Yes, sir, sentence नहीं समझ.
Why? If you know the meaning, don't give up. Why do you have to? Because ये sentence तुम सुना हुआ लग रहा है मुझे. एकदम सुना हुआ लग रहा है. And what is the meaning? Don't. क्या लिखा आपने? Please tell me the statement. What do you have?
Yes, sir. The meaning of hang is there.
Right.
To continue to do something despite difficulties and keep trying, don't give up.
Right. Don't give up. Don't quit. Not don't quiet.
Yes, sir.
और जो difficulties हैं, परिस्थितियां विपरीत हैं, but still hang in there. That is the
Yes.
message.
And the sentence is you should do your work regularly and don't put yourself hanging there.
Oh, once again, please.
You should do your work regularly and don't put yourself hanging there.
Don't put in yourself. You should do your work regularly and don't put yourself. Don't put yourself. ये fit नहीं बैठ रहा है ये. Don't put
जो
yourself.
hang in there सर मैंने एक सेंटेंस बनाया सर, मैं बोलूं सर?
एक मिनट.
तो
उस
प्लीज
पहले
इसको
आपसे कोई
करेक्ट कर
बोल रहा था
दीजिए.
ना. हाँ, एक मिनट मैं करता हूँ. मैं समझ एक्चुअली नहीं पाया, तो मैं आपसे समझना चाह रहा था. First of all, don't leave your work. What is the sentence?
What you should do your work regularly, यानी कि तुम्हें अपना काम रेगुलरली करना चाहिए, तुम्हें अपने काम को छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं तो ये सेंटेंस पे ठीक से नहीं बैठेगा. ठीक है. Yes, please. हाँ, मैं let me correct it. Okay. लेकिन ये सेंटेंस को आपको नया सेंटेंस ही लिखना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट करते हैं कि अगर थोड़ी सी उसमें चेंज लाके वो सेंटेंस करेक्ट हो जाए. लेकिन इसमें थोड़ी सी चेंज ला करके नहीं, इसमें आपको you have to redo the sentence. Even if I make
So word ही wrong ले लिया है.
word wrong ले लिया. You're right, absolutely. शुरू का जो
सर hang in there की वजह उन्होंने ले लिया है hanging there.
hanging there. नहीं वो तो है ही.
लटक रहा
वो भी है. ठीक है ना. So
1 minute. Yes, I'm not hanging there. Hang in there. I'm saying hang in there.
No, even then. Okay. See, if someone is having difficulty, let's say someone is having difficulty with a teacher in class. So I cannot understand. Somebody's father says, I know that you cannot understand your maths teacher in class. Hang in there and I will get a tuition. I will get a tuition for you, or I will organize a tuition for you. लेकिन अभी जैसा चल रहा है वैसे चलते रहने दो. Hang in there. बात समझे? I know you don't understand your maths teacher. This is a sentence. I know you don't understand your maths teacher. But hang in
Yes,
there
sir.
till I get a tutor. Till I get a tutor. ठीक है? Hang in there. Is that correct?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pratik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
You give a chance.
So now I want Pratik to give his statement. Pratik, बहुत अच्छा बोला था. हाँ, Pratik, do you have something?
So, yes, sir. So hang in there. Never give up. So the sentence is after so many losses, ABC Private Limited is hanging up there and aiming to gain future profit.
Okay. The sentence is correct, but I would appreciate if you write that down on a daily basis. Right now, I think you have not written it, and you are just,
No, sir, I've
which
written
is a
it.
good practice.
I've written it.
Written it. No, but you
Yes,
didn't
I've
seem to
written
be
it.
reading. You were not. You didn't appear as
So
if you
I've
were reading.
memorized it, sir.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I've just memorized it.
Fine. So somebody has risen their hand. Chandra Bhushan. Yes, Chandra Bhushan.
Sir, can we use hang in there for the meaning for just keep calm?
Hang in there for keeping calm.
No.
Yes,
I
sir.
think-
Because I've seen in movies and many other stuff, documentaries, it is there.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Hang in there. Yeah, you can say the
Yes, sir.
same thing for stay when you are calming somebody down. Shantro, you're doing well. You're doing well. Just hang in there for a while. Hang in there for a while.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ी देर वहाँ पे, तो just stay. Do continue to do what you're doing. So you can calm people down also when you're using this kind of a thing. You're right.
Thank you, sir.
So may I have also?
Sir, facing
Yes.
some difficulties is also the meaning of hanging there, na?
Yeah, ये तो है ही. मैंने बोला ना कि विषम परिस्थितियों में कोई है. He's facing difficulties, but you are requesting me कि कुछ देर और बर्दाश्त करो. Tolerate this for a while. I will try and get you out of that position, or try and get you out of the difficulty. तो है ही. इसमें तो
And
कोई-
sir, मैंने सर इसे एक सेंटेंस बनाया सर, प्लीज सुन लीजिए सर.
Mhm.
I know you have facing a lot of difficulties, but hang in there.
Yes, that's correct. I know you're facing a lot of difficulties.
सर
एक
मैंने
और
ही
भी है.
बनाया है.
हाँ,
सर
Yes,
मेरा
sir.
कुछ मीनिंग यूनिक इससे
मेरा भी-
अलग है
एक
सर.
मिनट सर, मेरे कुछ बोल रहे हैं, रुक जाओ.
हाँ, बोलो.
हाँ सर, मेरा
The
कुछ
girl.
मीनिंग ये है
नहीं,
सर, जैसे
the girl. I want the girl to say first. After I'll come to you, Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
यस सर. सेंटेंस
स्तुति
मैंने
है.
बनाया सर. हैंग से hanging there everything will be fine.
Yes, you're right. The sentence is absolutely correct. मतलब थोड़ा just hang in there. अभी जैसा है स्थिति वैसे ही रहो तुम.
कोई तो फिर बाद में सही
थोड़ी
हो
देर में,
जाएगा.
हाँ, बाद में
हाँ,
स्थिति
yes.
ठीक हो जाएगी. That is
हाँ.
perfectly all right. Pratyay,
Yes.
you wanted
Yes, sir,
to
yes,
say
sir.
a very unique statement. That is what you said is unique.
यस सर.
sentence.
सर
Let's
मैंने
hear
इसका
your unique
सर मीनिंग बनाया है सर. वे ऑफ टेलिंग समवन टू नॉट गिव अप डिस्पाइट डिफिकल्टीज. सर इसका
Okay.
हिंदी मतलब ये हुआ सर कि कठिनाइयों के बावजूद भी किसी को कुछ ना बताने का तरीका.
हम्म. कठिनाइयों का, हाँ, ठीक है. अब सेंटेंस क्या बताया?
यस सर, सेंटेंस ये है सर कि डिस्पाइट द डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन माय फादर हैंग इन देयर एंड लिव हैप्पी विद माय फैमिली.
हाँ, but my father hung in there. Hang का hung हो जाएगा. That is wrong. That is a mistake. फिर से पढ़ो sentence.
Despite the difficult condition, my father
Mhm.
hung in there and live happy with my family.
And live
Yes, live,
and lived.
lived. Yes, sir.
जैसे
Okay, thank you, sir.
hang का past tense हो गया hung, तो वैसे live का past tense lived होगा.
Lived.
दोनों पूरा sentence past tense में आ जाएगा.
Okay,
ठीक है. Now let's go to the next question. Next. Chandrabhushan
Pull
ने
yourself
लेकिन
together.
yes, Stuti
Yes,
is
sir.
raising a hand. Stuti को मैंने chance दिया क्या?
Excuse
Stuti
me,
तुम
sir.
बोल दो. Yes.
No, sir.
Let Stuti answer.
The next question का.
अच्छा नहीं, ये वाले का ही. Hang in
Okay.
there का.
hang in there. Don't lose yourself. Sentence is, if you are fail in exam, but hang in there, you will get good mark in next time.
Okay, ठीक है. Now let's go to the next exercise. What is the next exercise?
Pull yourself
so
together.
there
So
is
there
one.
is one more idiom, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
one
More.
question is left.
Oh, I'm
Yes, sir.
sorry. Please, बताइए वो.
Pull yourself together.
Pull yourself together.
Pull yourself together. Okay. So pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. मतलब get. बताओ आप लोग क्या? It means to get a control of yourself. You know, कोई ऐसा कोई tragic event होता है या कुछ ऐसी tragedy होती है. When a person loses self-control, he begins to cry, or he's devastated, he's lost, so he begins to cry, or he loses control over himself. In those circumstances, you tell that person, hey, come on, pull yourself together. There are people looking. Log dekh rahe hain. There are people looking. Pull yourself together. You're a strong man. So isme bolte hain, pull yourself together, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chalo. So please answer. Pull yourself together का राजन बताएगा. राजन कुमार क्या है?
Yes, sir. Sir, repeat.
अच्छा, आप तो छुट्टी पे थे ना?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. तबरेज भी छुट्टी पे था क्या? तबरेज बताएगा?
Yes, sir.
अभी
नहीं सर.
हाँ बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
बताइए.
sir. Push himself together means someone has gone in depressed and he is not able to control himself. And the sentence is, he was unable to push himself together after he lost his family in the car accident.
Push himself आपने बोला. Did you say push himself
Self
together?
नहीं होगा sir, yourself होगा.
Sorry, sir.
Yourself.
Pull him.
एक बार फिर से अपना वो read कीजिए please. एक बार फिर से read कीजिए.
The sentence. Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल.
He was not unable to push himself together after he lost
Push
his
himself.
family
यार
in
आप
the
push
car
himself
accident.
बोल रहे हो यार. क्या कह रहे हो आप? Pull है या push है? What is the sentence? You every time you are saying push. और मैं जब आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि push तो आप करने नहीं pull. और फिर जब दोबारा पढ़ने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ तो again you are saying push.
Sir, next
Make up your
sentence.
mind.
Sorry, sir.
पढ़िए
Sir.
please.
He was unable to pull himself together after he lost his family in the car accident.
After he lost his family, नहीं, after he lost his family in a car accident. ठीक है.
Yes,
He was unable to pull himself together after he lost his family in a car accident. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ये correct होगा.
Yes,
आपने
sir.
loss लिखा है और pull में भी कुछ गलत बोल रहे थे. He was unable to pull himself together. मतलब वो अपने ऊपर नियंत्रण नहीं रख पा रहा था. ठीक है? Obviously because of the tragedy that befell him.
Yes, sir. Actually, pull ही लिखा हूँ, गलती से बोल दिया मैं.
हाँ, तो दो बार एक ही गलती को तो थोड़ा सा फिर मैं भी सस्पिशियस वे में देखूंगा ना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये करेक्ट करने ने आपने कुछ कह रहे नहीं मैंने पुल लिखा फिर दोबारा पढ़ने के लिए बोल रहे हैं तो ये सेंटेंस आपका करेक्ट है. वेरी गुड. शशि कुमार, are you able to see me or hear me? No, Shashi is not, because in all probably he is not even sitting in front of the system, is he? Now it seems as if he has come to the system. Shashi Kumar.
यस सर, आगे
कहाँ चले गए थे आप?
सर माइक ऑफ था, मैं बोल रहा था सर.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
यस सर.
ठीक है ठीक है. हाँ
मैं
शशि
चेक
चल.
नहीं किया था. यस
Tell me what is the sentence that you have?
Sir, Ram's father asked with Ram, pull yourself together because he is an anger man.
Sentence तो करेक्ट नहीं है. फिर से एक बार पढ़िए, इसको ध्यान से मैं देखूं
Ram's
कहाँ पे
father
गलती है.
asked with Ram, pull yourself together because he is an angry man.
First of all, with हट जाएगा. Ram's
Yes.
father asked Ram, not asked
Yes.
with Ram. So Ram's
Yes.
father asked Ram to के बाद फिर से बोलिए.
Pull yourself to.
हाँ, very good. Pull
Ram's
yourself
father
together.
asked Ram
हाँ, ठीक है.
because he
Asked
is
Ram.
an anger man.
Anger man नहीं होता है because he's an angry man.
Angry man.
हाँ,
Yes. Angry
not
man.
anger
Yes.
man. Ram's father asked him to pull himself together because Ram was angry. इसको simple ऐसा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Because Ram was angry, so he asked him
Because
to
Ram-
pull himself together.
Ram was yes.
Yes, Nandini, tell me, what is the sentence that you have?
Sir, the sentence is, please don't be angry. It is the time to pull yourself together.
Good, very good, very
Sir,
nice.
and the meaning, sir, I've written meaning.
Mhm. It's not meaning.
Sir, and
It's एक मिनट. The whole class, बहुत से लोग meaning बोल रहे हैं जैसे कि अभी नंदनी बोल रही है. Not meaning, but it's meaning. Meaning. Okay.
okay, sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Tell me the meaning. Yes.
Control the emotions in adverse circumstances.
Okay. That is the meaning. Very good. Control the
Emotions
control
in the
emotions.
adverse circumstance.
हाँ, अपनी भावनाओं पे नियंत्रण रखना. Control your emotions in adverse situations. खासतौर पे जब स्थिति आपके अनुकूल नहीं जा रही है. Everything is not going your way. Then you need to control your emotions. Right. So that is this thing. Very good. And
Thank you, sir.
unfortunately, we have just 3 minutes left, and I don't
Yes,
want to go
sir.
to the next one. So there's no point. What is the next exercise?
Next
Story
is
writing, sir.
story writing, sir.
Story writing.
But sir, please
Story writing.
give us worksheet 16. Sorry.
Okay, I
Because
will give
we
you.
have completed it.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Anything that you say, I'm always willing to give you the.
Same.
One second. Let me pull up that. Yes, here it goes.
हेलो सर
Now you want to. Yes.
एक
Hello.
सेंटेंस
बोलिए.
बनाया है सर चेक कीजिएगा
बोलिए. हाँ, पूछिए. पूछिए.
लास्ट का सर वही पुल योरसेल्फ टुगेदर
सेंटेंस बताइए.
सर when I was in a problem my friend said to me pull yourself together because every cloud has a silver lining.
Yes, बहुत बढ़िया सेंटेंस. इसमें आपने एक साथ दो idioms को यूज किया. When I was in a problem, मतलब चीजें जो हैं वो आपके against जा रही थी. ठीक है. This is a rather short one. Worksheet 16. ठीक है.
बहुत छोटा है सर ये तो.
हाँ, तो क्या हुआ? एक्सरसाइज तो वैसे ही है.
हाँ, yes, proverb है सर. Make two
Sir,
music video.
जा रहा थोड़ा सा.
Write a story about 100 words.
अब सही है.
Yes sir, सही है. ले लिया सर स्क्रीनशॉट.
ले लिया सर.
हो गया सर.
तो आपका वो सेंटेंस बिल्कुल करेक्ट है जहां पे आपने दो idioms एक साथ यूज किए हैं. It's a very nice way because आपने शुरू किया कि because every cloud has a silver lining. आपका फ्रेंड आपको बकअप कर रहा है मतलब आप डिप्रेस्ड हो, परेशान हो, and he's asking you to pull yourself together. Don't be depressed. And then secondly, he's also asking you, एक minute, I'm talking, please. And then you say that every cloud, घबराओ मत, परिस्थितियां हमेशा ऐसे नहीं रहेंगी. Things are not going to be like this forever because every cloud has a silver lining. अभी घंघोर बादल है, but that will change and the sun will come through. So बहुत बढ़िया था वो. Who made that statement? Your name?
रोहित कुमार. Rohit
Sir.
Kumar.
Rohit. Okay, Rohit. Nice one. Good work. So I hope
Thank
you
you,
have
sir.
this.
Thank you, sir.
This new worksheet. Everybody's taken the exercise.
Yes, sir.
And we'll
Yes, sir.
meet day after tomorrow, and we'll meet there again. Okay. But we'll continue with the story of 15,
Yes, sir.
and that
Yes, sir.
particular
Okay, sir.
story was